Hello everyone, my name is Jatin Kandre, admin of TVS COG Pune. So first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. I do riding and traveling as well. So today I got this parcel from Moto Pro, and first of all I would like to thank you Moto Pro for sending this gift to me. So inside this parcel there is a Moto Pro frame slider and radiator gun for TVS Apache RR310. And today I am going to unbox this parcel, plus I will give you all the details about it, like price, tools, site from where you can purchase it. So yes guys, let's unbox this parcel. Let's go. So yes, let's unbox this box. Here we go. Okay, so now we completely unbox this parcel. So now I will tell you all the details one by one about this product. Okay, so guys, let's start with this Moto Pro radiator guard, which one is specially designed for RR310. So this one is made from 1 mm mild steel material, and this one is also powder coated. So another product is clamp. This one is a part of frame slider also. And this one is also made from mild steel and also powder coated. So guys, next part is it's a connector tube, and this one is made from aluminum, which is very lightweight material, which one is very good option for frame slider. So this one is a cast bobbin. This one made from Darling plastic material. Guys, this one is most important part in frame slider. I will tell you why. So if you met with an accident or any crash, this crash bobbin will save your bike's chassis or full bike fairing also. As it is made from Darling plastic material, it will control all the pressure while you crash or accident. That's why this one is the most important part in the frame slider, I believe. So yes guys, these are all in the box. So now let's talk about the price and from where you can order this both product guys. Yeah. So price of this radiator guard is 1499, and this frame slider price is 2499. But wait guys, there is a special offer to all for all Apache owners and for my UG family. So if you are ordering directly from Moto Pro, contact number and Instagram link already provided in description and here in corner of this video also. So if you are ordering directly from Moto Pro using reference name of mine, Jatin Kandre, then you will get 15% off on these both products. That means radiator guard will cost you around 1275, and this frame slider will cost you around 2124 only. So that's it guys. Wait, it's not time to sign out yet, because we have to go to Team Upseat where Aejaz Patel waiting for us, where we are will show you how to install and how to fit these both products in Apache RR310. So yes guys, let's go. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome to Team Upseat Motorworks. So today we are going to fit frame slider and radiator guard in my Apache RR310 by help of Aejaz Patel. And next to Aejaz Patel, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Aejaz Patel, and here we are going to fit the frame sliders and the radiator guard for the Apache 310 RR.
Yeah, that's right.
Hi, this is the Moto Pro radiator guard which we are going to fix on the 310 RR.
Yeah, let's start it guys. Come on.
Yeah, to fix the Moto Pro radiator guard, first we'll have to remove these 4 bolts which are over here down near the belly. These are the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, now we are going to fix this Moto Pro frame sliders on this bike. we have fitted the brackets over here. Now we are going to fit the bobbins from outside.
Yeah.
We have fitted the Moto Pro frame sliders and the radiator guard.
So in the some next footage, we will show you how it looks, the final output of the frame slider, Moto Pro frame slider and the Moto Pro radiator guard on my Apache RR fitted in next footage. Yep.
So finally we have completed our job, and I liked it was fun working with Jatin. Sir,
Yeah. So first of all, thank you so much Aejaz Patel and team of Sid Motorworks for giving me this fabulous service for my Apache RR and for my Night Fury. So guys, I have like small updates for you all. If you want to do servicing your bikes, if you want the wrapping and customized decals, and if you want performance parts also, and if you want to customize your bikes also, then you can visit Upshift Motorworks and you can contact Aejaz Patel also. I will provide all the contact details, all the Instagrams and social media links in the descriptions as well. So do follow Team Upshift, and yeah, till then, ride safe and stay home. Yeah, thank you so much guys.